Hi! Hello people, how you doing? Good? Nothing, I'm just checking. How you doing? Good? Okay, here's today's video.
What is today's video? Can I listen?
Ow! Sorry people, I'll duck down because I don't want to miss out hit me. You know? A missile hitting me? I ducked for a missile. Okay people, here's today's episode. 5 good ideas. Do you know that McDonald's has been having a lot of good toys lately? Why not they put video games? Yeah, video games. Good idea, huh?
Yeah, good idea.
Ah! What the heck? Something broke my fall.
Oh, really? What was it, Socky?
Sorry, people. Okay, video games at McDonald's. Presented by McDonald's. Ba-da-ba-ba-ba. I love it. Okay, here's one.
What is it? Can I see it?
Sorry, people. Okay, here's one. Okay, people, here's some good stuff, okay? Okay, here's some good stuff. Video games sold at McDonald's. Ba-da-ba-ba-ba, I love it. Then we forgot GameStop putting up a sweepstakes at McDonald's. Yay! That's number 2. That's number 3. Get tools from YouTube sold at McDonald's. Yay! Okay. I'm hiding because there's a missile. I don't want missiles hitting me. Okay, here's one. What do you, WWE Universe, want to see? WWE Superstars toys being sold at McDonald's. Yay! That's number 3. You know what's number 5? Socky, the sock puppet toys sold at McDonald's. Get it? Socky the sock puppet toys for sale at McDonald's? Yay! This has been a good episode of Socky the Sock Puppet. Catch you later, people, okay? Bye, people. I'm watching you. I gotta go because there's a missile gonna hit me. Oh,